Yeah, it works.
Concludes this required monthly test under the New Hampshire emergency alert system. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast. Rain until midnight, then a chance of rain after. We'll send it along. Instant request. Call in or text now. 85 Lifeline.
Thank God that works. Okay, before it goes off on FM, I want to go check the accurate. Nope, it didn't go off. WFTN's going off. Oh no. What are they doing?
Because they can be interrupted by diarrhea, gas, bloating, stomach pain, or oily sweat.
Really? All right. See if WTPL goes off. Too bad that didn't go off. I think it's the first time I've ever missed one.
Freon is the #1 prescribed EPI treatment. Ask your doctor about.
Guess it won't. Button's going bad on this. I've hit it so many times.
Miles per hour increase.
Okay, well, I'm not going to wait now. So I got WFTN. 94.1 megahertz. FM. Alright, that concludes one of, I think, 4 NOAA Weather Radio monthly tests of the year. Yeah. But what the hell was WFTN doing? I heard nothing but static and just blah, blah, blah. So if you could explain what happened there, just do it in some way, shape, and form so I know. But now, let's go to the weathers that went off. The WR100 decided even with clear reception, I'm not going to go off. And you guys heard the HH50 went off. My WR120EZ and my Emerson CKW3000 did go off. The SFA 1150, my brand new Radio Shack 12-259, the Eton Zone Guard Plus, the I think did that, yeah, the 12991, and the other WR120, which I believe is a 120B. And you guys probably saw my 105XL over there. It did go off. Now, the reason why I switched that on, right as it started going through, is because that thing will go off whenever it wants. So yeah, I got a bad one. Anyway, If I can see on display here. How do you look at it? Yep. Freaking finally. Because I went 3 weather radios in a row. I bought 3 in a row and they all don't go off. This is a good sign. Hoping it kicks my luck up for the year. Because I did not have great luck with these last year. Okay, that concludes the February required monthly test. In kind of a way I don't see too often on YouTube.